Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we will learn how to fix the error. For example, sometime what happened, we import CSV file into the MySQL server, and that time some data didn't get imported. For example, let me load one file. I was working in the one project, and then I found this problem. For example, so this is our finance one file. If I will load this file into the MySQL, so I'm facing a issue. As you can see here, the only 573 record get imported. If I will check here also, select count star from finance one. As you can see here, only 573 row get imported. But if we will check in the Excel file which we are working on, see, as you can see here, there are total almost 39,717 rows are there. Then how we can fix this kind of error? Okay, so today we will understand step by step how to fix this kind of error. So without any further delay, let's get started. So first what I will do, I will delete this file which I have imported just now. I will drop this table completely from here. Then what I will do, I will go back to the Excel file where we have all the data. Make sure your file is it in CSV format. And another thing, why we face this kind of issue, because of the data cleaning. So before you import any file into the MySQL, or it can be Postgres, or it can be any kind of database, make sure to clean your data before you importing. Now we have to find out unnecessary column which we are not gonna use. For example, ID we need because this is a unique column, right? So we have to find out which column are not necessary for us. So for me, in this data, as much as I analyze, for example, this is employee title. This is we don't need. So what I will do, I will completely delete this. And the issue date column, this is very important because MySQL only support year, month and date format. But here we have in, maybe you have in this format, like month and year format. Maybe you have date, month and year format, but make sure whatever format you have for your date column, change it to the year, date, year, month and date. How we will change it? Just select the whole column, right click on it, go to the format cell. From here, go to the date and select this year, month and date. Click OK. Now what you have to do, just insert one more column here. From here you have to copy this and paste it somewhere else. Okay, then I will delete this. Let me delete this. Now loan status we need, but if you will check this payment plan, there are all the rows by the name of N, so I don't need this as well. So I will delete this also. The description things also we don't need. If you want to put any description, you can use MySQL directly. So I will delete this column as well. Okay, now the purpose of loan and title also we don't need. Okay, so I will delete this title as well. So how many column we have? We have now almost 20 column remaining. So from here we have to decide what we have to clean. For example, funded amount invested. Okay, so what it is showing that how many amount invested. So I will change the format of this as well. See, you can round this, you can use round down and you can use round up as well. In our recent video we have already covered this. If you didn't watch that video, I have given link in the I button as well as in description. You can check out from there. So let me change the format. I will use the round up function here and I'll select the cell. I'll choose 0, hit enter. Now we can drag it. It will get important. I will use a paste special. I already covered this topic also in our previous class. You can check out from there why we are using this. All right, click OK. Now I don't need this column as well. See, I am not deleting the data. I am converting data in another form. The values are same. I just did a little bit formatting. All right. In my opinion, I think we are all done with the formatting. All right. Now what we have to do, I will just save this, but make sure it is in CSV format. If you want, you can change the name or you can keep it same finance one also. It's all up to you. All right. So now let's go back to the MySQL workbench. Okay. So before we already know when we import the data, we able to import only 573 record. Now we already did our data cleaning part. Let's see if I will import data now, we will get all the records or one. Next, next, again, next, and next. It will take little bit time to import because it is a big file. So while it's importing, let's wait until that. So now, as you can see here, our importing has been done. We will click on next. So now, as you can see here, 39,717 rows. So our old data get imported in MySQL. See, now whatever you do, even you want to do normally check, so import all the data. So, can you see here 3900 717 rows imported in MySQL. Okay, so like that you can import the finance 2 also. In finance 2 you don't have to do any data cleaning. This is already clean file. Okay, in next video we will completely make our bank loan project in MySQL. So don't forget to check out that video as well, and we will solve each and every KPI in MySQL workbench. Okay, so that's it for today. Till then, happy learning, keep supporting, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.